Okay, for this task, we're going to use not the previous task, but before the previous one, which is task 10R. We're going to use that file and carry on it. So display, what we will need to do is to display the details of fridges and freezers, as well as the price per cubic centimeter of each item. So displaying the prices and as well as the type as well. It's better to compare it and show it too. So over here, I have created a new query and I have added the product table, and as you can see down over here, I have added all the details of the product, and at the end I have added the type as well. In the type, if you remember, we added the if, and we extracted the right 6 characters from the model number, and then if it is equal to freeze those 6 characters from the right side, then write the word freezer, otherwise put it as fridge, and then you can see the result will be either freezer or fridge. After that, what we need to do, so you can see the price is also displayed over here. We need to calculate the price per cubic centimeter for each item. So let's go over here and create a new one, which we can call it price per cubic meter, cubic centimeter. So CC as cubic centimeter, and colon. What we're going to type in colon is going to be the price divided by capacity. So make sure it is between square brackets. That's going to be price or retail price. And then another bracket for capacity. And let's check it. Okay, we got it. So we need to adjust this to be a currency and as well as 2 decimal places. So right click, properties, and then go to format over here and set it to currency as 2 decimal places. And here we go. So after that, that's the end of this question. Oh yeah, we need to make it into a report, as you can see over here. So let's save it and let's just create the report. So let's go to the report section. Let's add the specific query and add all of these fields. Okay, and this is the report, just minor adjustments, and we're done with that. So let me make it into layout view. Here can you see the title is not showing perfectly, so if we have space here, let's take it to the left. And then we have the model number also occupying a lot of space. The retail price can also move a bit to the left side, and then we have the capacity. And then the final 2 columns, type, and then the price per cubic centimeter. And that's it. That's the end of the report. Save it and let's move to the next one.